Thank you so much for visiting our website. I'm Margot.
I'm Natasha, and we're from the Fabric Wrapping Co. We started this because we love to give and we hate waste.
So we're going to show you the 3 product types that we have available on our website. So first up, we've got bottle bags on our website. We've got Furoshiki wraps with ribbons, as you can see here, double-sided.
And we've also got Furoshiki without ribbons, which is more traditional. We wanted to show you how they work and how tiny they are to store.
Perfect. So we first start with the bottle bag. As you can see, just pop the bottle in, tie the ribbon around, make a little bow, and that's it. Then you're good to go. Secondly, we've got the Furoshiki wrap with the ribbon. As you can see, they're double-sided. So I'm wrapping a book, but you can also wrap a candle, small toys. As you can see, it's super easy. Just wrap it around. There you go. And you finish off with a bow.
It's super straightforward and looks amazing, the ribbon. People always tell us that it's the ribbon that really makes it. Here, the more traditional Furoshiki is also easy to be reused for lots of other things. The most common way that you wrap is you just knot. So you just wrap your gift in like that and knot. One of the most common questions we get is, do you ask for the wrap back? The answer is, generally in the UK you give the wrap as part of the gift, but amongst friends and family you can use them for years and years and years. It's particularly important because every year in the UK we go through 50,000 trees worth of gift wrap, which is, we can do better.
For sure.
Thank you for coming to say hi.
Thanks so much, and follow us on Instagram.
Cheers.